Another quick video today, we'll be running through how long does it take to install a rubber roof. This is a question our sales team get asked on a daily basis, so hopefully this video will show you how quick it can be done. So I'll be fitting this on one of our log cabins here. The rubber, both adhesives and all the finishing trims will be installed. So I have fitted quite a few of these, so I will be slightly quicker than someone that hasn't fitted a rubber roof before, but just take your time, follow the steps and everything will be fine. So let's have a look how long it takes. So that's everything installed. Obviously if you've got details like walls or skylights, this will add some more time, but as you can see it is really quick. We will be showing you how to do this on separate videos. So this is taking me just under an hour and a half. I have done this on my own, so if you've got someone helping you, it will obviously shave some time off it. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more videos.